Anywhere else.
No.
Just here at the
Just
Q.
here.
I get it.
Why would
and
you?
Why would we? I mean, so
Why
this
would
is
you?
Temptations. This is the world that we love. For the last 21 years, they've been bringing us our favorite dishes, our favorite patterns, our favorite tools. We haven't seen an egg cooker, Lisa Lasorte, in a long time on air here at QVC. This is the egg cooker with the poaching and omelet trays, and it's $16.64. Before we get into the different patterns, let's talk about what it is.
Yeah, can I show you right over here?
Yes, please.
So what if I told you that you never had to take out a pan again to cook an egg? That you could cook an egg 5 ways. That's what this egg cooker does for you. The only sad news is that we are retiring it.
Yeah.
But first of all, pattern-wise, it's going to start with that classic pattern right there. So classic is where we take our 2 most popular patterns of Old World and Floral Lace and put them together. So this is what it looks like. It is a plug-in device right there. So here is the domed lid that goes on top of it. You see the little steam vent right there. You're going to get your poaching tray.
Okay.
This literally has to go in here to use this. No matter what you're going to do, this goes in.
Okay.
Then if I want to put omelets on here, I can put an omelet in here. I can do 2 poached eggs. Here is how, hear that singing down there?
That's
that means
nice.
my eggs are ready. Here's where you're going to literally know how much water to put in, and then at the bottom is our little piercer right there. So this is the whole system. You get 4 recipes, and it's so easy to use.
So cool. We have it for you in black.
Okay.
We have it for you in red. And we also have it for you in blue. So 3 colors. That I like that jam. There's no reorder on this. I have an egg cooker when I want to meal prep for Mr. D and I for the week. It's a great way to go. But when you need breakfast quickly, and really, quite frankly, eggs can be super tricky.
Yes.
This is how you do it.
And this is what's so cool about it. We hear that great music. That means if you're upstairs, this is that set it and forget it technology.
Yeah.
You can literally just walk away, and when you want it to stop singing, you can actually turn it off as well. But here's the thing. You can make a soft cooked egg, a medium cooked egg, a hard boiled egg.
Okay.
You can make a poached egg. You can make an omelet with cheese and bacon, and yes, you can do all that. I'm going to show you how, all right?
Okay,
It's
let's hit it.
really quite amazing.
Ready.
So the first thing that you're going to do is you have to pierce the egg when you're going to use this egg cooker. So you take the bigger part of the egg. You know how eggs are like there's a larger and a smaller part? And all you're going to do right here, see that little, let me move this out of the way. See my little piercer right there? You literally just pop it right on.
But you have to do that.
You have to do that. You know why? Because it's like a steam valve release, right?
Just like the lid has.
Just like the lid has. Then all I'm going to do is literally top up, place it down right here. I'm going to add the amount of water that it says in the directions, because if you want soft cooked, it's 1, medium, hard, of course, it makes sense, right?
Okay.
By the way, there's an auto shut off as well, so that if there's no water and all the water is done, it turns off automatically.
Yeah.
There's safety features in here as well. So look at this right here. I can now do my soft cooked eggs. So right in here, I can take my toast and I can literally, look at this, I can just
Dippy
dip.
egg.
What?
So good.
Like, look at that. So there's your soft cooked.
Okay.
Maybe I want to do my medium cooked eggs where it's just a little bit different, right? I can take my eggs. By the way, I can do up to 6 eggs at a time. Ooh. And has this ever happened to you? Like you look in the refrigerator, you have an expiration date on your eggs. You're like, what am I going to do with 6 eggs? This is what you're going to do with 6 eggs.
Oh, that's smart,
Yeah, right?
That's a great idea.
Now I can literally do like more of my medium cooked eggs right there. So super easy. You can do your little egg plungers. You can break it apart. Over here is going to be your hard boiled eggs where you can make things like egg salad. These recipes are actually included. Then over here, I cannot believe that this little piece right here can do my spinach and feta omelet.
That looks delicious.
Isn't that amazing? And what you're going to do here is you're just going to take it out. It's a little silicone. Before you make this, give it a little spray or put a little butter in the bottom so that it releases naturally. And then look at this right here. Oh, yeah. There's my omelet.
I love it. And I have 2 categories of food in my brain, indulgent and fuel, right?
Yes.
So that is a little bit of both, I think, because you can add cream if you want to make it more indulgent.
Totally.
You can add a little cheese if you want to make it more indulgent, or you can use it as a tool to make your fuel, and you can make just your egg and spinach omelet. I want to remind you, this is a clearance price, $16.64. This is great for you to get. This is great for you to stock up and give as a gift. I would give this to anyone living in a dorm, anyone who is taking that road trip this summer, anybody who just downsized, has a small kitchen.
Yes.
This is a beautiful appliance, but it's 3 easy payments of $5.55. 400 have already been picked up today. We've got the blue, the red, and the black. All 3 colors are available, but I gotta get, is that hollandaise?
I just did poached eggs. The thing about eggs, Mary, is like they're not easy. We all think, oh yeah, have an egg. It's not always that easy to do. This is foolproof. It takes all the guesswork out. You will never have to turn on your stove again.
Yeah.
Just a reminder, 5 ways to make your eggs. Poached eggs. You can do an omelet over here, and you can add things into your omelet. You can do hard-boiled eggs, up to 6 eggs at a time. I have it right here, and we made the egg salad. By the way, there are 4 recipes, one of them including egg salad.
That's a lot of Sammys.
Totally. You can do your soft-cooked eggs, and I'm going to try this. Carol, should I try it? All right, I'm going to try it. I've never done this before. So here, this is this little contraption.
This is why we watch.
Am I right?
I'm in.
You pull it up.
I got your back.
Right, and then what do? I
just snap it?
Yep.
And pull back with this. Carol.
Is it like that?
Carol.
And then just pull the egg out?
Yep. Pull the egg out.
Mary, I need your help.
Let me see. I got it. I'm with it.
No, Mary, I got it. I got it. Oh,
Yay!
Look at this.
Small victories.
And then look at this. Where's my little spoon?
You want to look
Thanks,
this little guy?
Mary.
This little guy?
Look at this right here. My soft cook. Oh, come on. You know how hard this is to do?
Girl. Do we
Not
have a
anymore.
ribbon or a medal or a certificate we
I
can
wanna
give
go
to
home.
Lisa?
I want a trophy.
I mean, I know she's a vice president and all, but that's a big deal.
And look at that. And the thing is, look how easy that was. I mean, Carol did have to talk me through.
But that's amazing. But I mean, to
egg
use the
cooker did all
fancy
the work.
tool. Yeah, exactly. To use the fancy tool, but the egg, easy.
And soft cook, which by the way, scares me to make at home, but it takes all the guesswork out. It's so easy. You plug it in, you add the water, you turn it in, you walk away because it makes fun little noises.
Because I
too.
want the dippy yellow. I want the dippy yolk, but I don't want any moving white of the egg.
Mary,
right?
I am so on board with you on this.
Can't-
Like, if
there's a fine line.
If there's movement of the white,
I'm out. I'm out. We're moving to lunch. Can't do it. You know what? We do have it in blue. We have it in the red, and we do also have it in the black. But here's the deal. Black is starting to get a little limited.
Okay.
Why don't we come down here? This is a no reorder situation. Remember, you're getting the tray where you can make the 2 poached eggs. You're getting the omelet tray. This insert has to be in the inside.
Yep.
To make any of the egg recipes that we discussed. And you get the measuring cup as well. And you get the recipes to get you started.
look at that.
Your little training wheels.
Yeah, and let me tell you something. This is so easy to use.
Yeah.
Again, I mean, make eggs, never pull out a pan again.
Exactly.
I'm in.
900 have been ordered and in the kitchen with Mary this morning. $16.64. And how about those easy payments? 3 easy payments of
Okay.
$5.55. I'll take that.
Me too.
Hey, thanks for hanging out this morning. Can we talk about more stuff?